How's it going, everybody? As the wheel of democracy turns, my wife is running a recall campaign against two of the sitting council members, as well as attempting to repeal a water rate increase. I'm giving my support by setting up my ham radio station because I'm just going to hang out with her. But anyway, I've got the Alpha Delta Loop, which is an additional kit that goes on top of the Hex antenna. I'm going to be running that with my 7300 Mark II, and let's see what kind of activity we get. It's local time about 2:10 in the afternoon, meaning we're going to be running out of 20 meters and going into 40 meters, and I'm curious to see what we're going to hear. So let's set it up. I'm bringing my overkill of a battery, this Hoom Sync. I believe I got this out of Gigaparts, so bought this about a year ago. Been going strong. It's way overkill, but hey, one less thing to think about, right? Harbor Freight box holds my 7300 and some very old McDonald's coffee. This is the first time for me using this, so we're all experiencing this together. But like everything Steve makes, it's gonna be good. The antenna feed goes onto this transformer, which I'm guessing is like a 4-to-1 or something along those lines. So let's straighten out our coax. It's a little kinky in the bag. The kit comes with the transformer and then...
Well, Editor Josh here. I screwed up. I didn't follow the configuration for the Alpha Antenna hex beam attachment. It should be mounted on the top of the hexagon mount with a clip that goes to the threaded side of the coax. While the antenna still works in this configuration, that is not the way it's supposed to work as a delta loop. It probably functioned more as kind of like a long wire with a matching unit and the tuner pretty much sorted out. Still worked okay, but I will do a follow-up because I want to make sure I test this antenna out correctly.
The wire that attaches the tops of the verticals together. Then you simply attach a piece of coax. You may need an internal tuner to your radio. Okay, very good. Now I can oversee what's going on. I can supervise. 7300 Mark II. I did bring my laptop as well, but I don't know, we probably don't need that. Also brought my modern Morse key in case we want to do a little CW, which is always a nice option. Trying to continue to get my skill up in that area. Helps if you attach the antenna. Let's see what we got on 14. Sure enough. Internal tuner, no problem.
Kilo 5 Alpha, commemorating the 190th anniversary of Arkansas State tomorrow, calling CQ.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Josh, you're 5-9 Arkansas.
Copy, you're 5-5 here into Cerritos, California.
I appreciate California and appreciate your videos. 7-3.
Hey, thank you very much. Have fun out there.
This is Kilo 5 Alpha calling QRZ. Hey, QSL, Jonathan, you're coming in about 2-1 here on the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, what? Is this Maritime HF? Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Is that Josh?
You got it. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. You're on the Pacific? What's going on?
Well, close Pacific. It's like, I don't know, 40 feet away from me. Watching it here in Grayland, state of Washington. You're coming in 5-3.
Copy. You're barely licking my meter. Call it a 5-1, but you're in there. You sound great.
Hey, great. Appreciate the contact and appreciate learning from your videos. Have a great afternoon.
Hey, sounds good. And you bumped up to 5-5, a true 5-5 there. So thanks for being on the radio for me. KI6NAZ 7-3.
Hey, thanks, Josh. Yep, coming in great here today, 73. QRZ. Thank you. That's a good one. Back to
The band is not very good today, and you're right up my noise. Over. November Lima 7 Romeo Yankee.
Oh, lots of CW. Lots of activity on CW.
is CQ West?
It's CQ West. It's cool.
Ah, it's the SKCC Weekend Sprint, or WES. Cool.
I don't know. Yes, what I like. Another thing that you think I like. That's it.
Oh, man.
Mommy, can I chill in the truck? No. I don't even want to play games on the truck.
Shh. Enjoy your videos. That's golden. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Copy, copy. You're about a 323232 here in Southern California.
Thanks for the 32. I appreciate it.
Good luck out there. Have fun.
Sure, Ed. Park's on here.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Kilo India 6.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu, QSL.
Yes, this is Josh. You're about 323232 here to Southern California.
Roger that, Josh. Hey, I appreciate you. You're about a 44. And you are 3274.
Copy, copy. Thank you for the contact, 738.
I appreciate that. We're 72. 67, Romeo Golf Charlie. First time here.
Yeah, I was doing Morse code earlier. So this is, right now I'm back on shortwave, or sideband, so this is people talking. See if we can pull somebody out here. Find a big station. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So here's...
Okay, Afton, sure. Yeah, I'm not really familiar with that area, but I've heard of it for sure. So for some reason I'm thinking skiing, but that's not the Afton Alps. I'm totally wrong.
Yeah, it is east of Minneapolis, southeast.
I started to get into
Oh, yeah. Okay.
radio.
All right. Well, it sounds like you got a good podcast
Uh-huh.
going, David. Nice to hear you
So
to the lodge first time, and enjoy your stay in Minnesota when you get up here.
Gadget I made was
I'm looking forward to
I can probably talk to this guy in a second.
But that opening is gone now. But Ernest, look at picture in the log first time. 73, my friend.
what is petition?
Watch. Let's see.
From November Foxtrot.
Ready?
Papa. Whiskey.
Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Mike Yankee. Whiskey Echo. Kilo Delta 8. Kilo. Mike.
Those are call signs. So I have a call sign for radio operation. Mine is
Where
Kilo.
are they talking from? Like
All over the country, all over the world. I think this guy's in Minnesota.
Wow.
Yeah. And we're hearing him just off of this antenna.
mean, they can be in their house or car.
It can be. Generally, generally you need to have the antenna outside. Did you take my antenna off the truck?
I grew up in the 50s. My uncle was a TV repairman. You know, the TVs used to have those tubes.
Uh-huh.
But when he kind of graduated into CB radios, he had those big old antennas on his house. And
So this is like CB, but CB is relatively limited. They only have like 16 channels, but this works off of frequencies, so I can literally tune anywhere I want, and I can talk to people. I was doing Morse code earlier with this. You can do Morse code. Yeah.
they still use it?
Oh yeah, it's very popular still. It's very effective because it's just a beep, versus voice is way more broad banded, so you have to use more power.
So you know, you know Morse code. You had to learn it. Though.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu.
Whiskey 1 Charlie.
Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu. Hearing lots of people are trying to talk to this guy right now. So when he's so he's
in the log a few times. We worked back in February this year for some reason, and good to work you once again without it being a contest or some phone event or something like that.
it could be, but also the atmosphere varies. It changes all the time, and so sometimes you'll get a path that's more open.
November Foxtrot 6 Papa.
Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu.
Radio Lima November.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, November 7th.
So he's actually a 6 call, so he might be in Northern California.
November 7, Radio Lima November, you're 5
Well, hey, thanks for the show.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Nice talking.
Oh yeah. I'm Leia's husband, by the way. Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm Leia's husband. Leia, did you meet Leia here to do the signing?
I don't even know. I just brought my dog for the food.
Oh, okay. Well, it's nice to meet you. Leia ordered sushi to go along with her event here. Can you get me one too, please, Edison? This computer screen is surprisingly bright for being in full sun. You probably can't see it on the camera, but I'm shocked how bright this is. Now that's full brightness. I ran around out of batteries pretty quick here, but well, we tested it out. It's working, but we lost the audio. I'm guessing because my USB cable is unshielded. So I'm probably just gonna try something else. We did make it all the way into the East Coast though, so that was pretty easy.